Hi guys, this is one of my cats, Smokey, and she was just in the sink. You're a weird little kitty. Were you in that sink? Were you? You bad mama. Really? And you probably think it's cute. Cutie wootie. She's just a weird little kitty, as you can tell. And she was just in the sink and now she got out. And now, what are you up to now for your next little trick, Miss Smokey? Smokey Mokey. Okay. Don't you dare get back in that sink. Oh, you. Alright. That's all I have for now. Have a great morning. Have a great day. And also, take great care.